This is the NeoRuler by HOZO Design. This is an absolute game changer. HOZO Design sent this out to me. They just wanted me to just take a look at the tool and use it and just give my opinion. Right now I have it with the caliper add-on, which is optional. This thing can divide a section into equal parts. It will even calculate the scale for you if you input 1:1 or 1:12 or 1:24, whatever scale you're working with. It's extremely precise. It has a color OLED screen. This has single-handedly replaced a bunch of scale rulers that I've been using. This is my new favorite tool. I highly recommend it.